Okay, hey everybody, Bob's Gaming 14 Tours here, and I'm going to be showing a Nerf gun. It's called the Fire Strike, and it feels pretty comfortable in my hand. Like, it feels nice, and like it's like a pistol. I can shoot it, and then we got this tactical rail, but there's not another one. That's pretty sad. I got the eye in sight right here, and we got this light that's in here, and you would pull this back, it would shoot a bullet, and it has like two little slots you put other bullets in. It's a pretty cool gun. It's a nice piece to a Nerf gun, and like if you're gonna do a Nerf battle, you can put it in the back here for a pocket or something. It's pretty cool if it's comfortable in your hand usually, and it's a really nice piece. I really like it. I'm gonna be getting some bullets. So I'm gonna be showing the other gun.
Hi guys, if you didn't know who was behind the camera, it's Will7784. Go check my channel out.
Here's the Maverick REV6. It's a really nice gun, but the thing is I don't like about it is it's huge. Like you like your hand wouldn't be in, and then there's these little things that you clip in. Tactical rail. I think there's one on the bottom here. Nope, there's only one back here. And that's also sad. Here's the eye in sight right here. You can zoom up on it. And you have to pull this back.
See this? Do the little thing where you press the button, you flick it out.
And like, if you like look.
Wait there, I'm gonna show him one thing, okay? Guys, I'm gonna show you one thing. Go, get behind the camera. Hey, you have to show it to me, okay? You might think I'm taking over, but you see this little button? If you want to like load the whole mag, you press this little button, you push out. See? And then you can spin it around like that. And you can just put them in.
So it's like a really cool piece, right?
And you can do slam fire. Slam fire is when you hold down the trigger and you go. No, you can't do slam. This is an older version. It's an old version, but the newer versions can. So.
Okay. So here are.
Say I'm gonna be doing a firing test. What? Say I'm gonna be doing a firing test.
I'm gonna be doing a fire test with these guns, and let's stop the camera. Now, first I'm gonna start the fire strike. My cousin, my friend Will 77884. I'm putting it camera in. So guys, I'm gonna shoot 3 bullets with a fire strike. But guys, enjoy if you can see. It's really fast. Go with the next bullet. So cool. Wait. It's not like the Mega where whistles and all that stuff. I like those kind of bullets.
Guys, sorry about the windiness. I'll get you a new bullet.
Yeah, because this bullet sucks. Thank you. Here we go. It's a really cool piece. Now
Let's see where they went.
here are the bullets.